and good day everyone. My name is Sasikala Gaudaman, matrix number 275503. Here are the list of requirements which is functional and non-functional requirements of Zoom vaccine system. The functional requirements are: first, JVS01, sign up the account. Here user will enter details, user can edit the details, user can clear the details, user will submit the details. The system should prompt an error message if the account already exists. The system should send a verification code through phone number for user. User will enter the verification code. User can request to resend the code. The system should prompt a message showing successful if the code has been verified. User can cancel the sign up. User can choose either one from 4 basic language option given. Second, JVS02, login to the account. Here, user will enter the identification card number and password. User will enter to log in the account. The system should display the main interface. The system should prompt an error message if user entered incorrect identification card number or password. User can select forget password. The system should prompt the message to refer user email. User clicks the link given in the email. User enters a new password. User will enter the identification card number and new password. The mail should prompt a message showing password has been changed successfully. User will enter to log in the account. Third is JVS03, update status. Here user should be able to update the details. User can edit their details. User will submit and the updated details will be automatically saved. System should prompt a message that data edited as no changes. User can view the updated details. The system should display the user details. Fourth, JVS04, manage account. Here, administrator can view user details. The system shall prompt user details when administrators search user by identification card number. The system should prompt an error message if there is identification card number not found. Administrators should be able to view the data accounts. Administrators should be able to archive the data accounts. System should be able to display the archive data accounts when administrator access to it. JVS05, find nearest vaccination location. The system should display various vaccination locations. The system should prompt an alert message if there is no internet connection. The system should prompt an alert message if no GPS is detected. The system should display map to point and address. The system should display the nearest vaccination location for the user. User can choose the nearest location. User can view the details of the location. User can choose either Waze or Google Maps to direct to the location. JVS06, remind status. Here, administrator can set the date of vaccination day. User can view the date of vaccination day. User can choose the platform for the reminder. The system should prompt a message showing reminder has been set successfully. The system should remind the user on the vaccination date through the platform has been selected. JVS07, rate and comment about the system. System will send rating notification to users' accounts. User can rate and comment about the system after the notification has been shown. User can cancel to rate and comment the system. User can edit the rate and comment that has been given. User can delete the rate and comment that has been given. User can view the rate and comment that has been given. JVS08, review system by administrator. The system shall prompt notification in the administrator account. Administrator will click the notification tab in the account. The system should display the rate and comment given by the user. Administrator can view and reply to the comment given by the user. Non-functional requirements. JVS09, reliability issues. For a single user, the system should crash no more than once per 10 hours. If the system crashed, it should behave perfectly normal when reloaded again. The system will send verification code to user's phone number within 30 seconds. The system should be able to display various vaccination locations within 30 seconds. The system should be able to show the nearest vaccination location within 45 seconds. The system will automatically connect to the internet and GPS if both are turned on. JVS 10, usability issues. Users should be able to sign up the account within 3 minutes including filling the details. Users should be able to log in the account within 1 minute with username and password. Users should be able to get error or alert messages upon performing some functions within 30 seconds of clicking. The website's interface has to be user-friendly and easy to use. JVS 11, confidentiality. The system should protect the privacy of all protected health information in compliance with the privacy rule. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Nur Izzati Shazalina binti Zulkifli and my matric number is 275673. So this is our use case diagram for Zoom vaccine system. There are two main actors, which is a user and admin. A user is going to sign up and log into the account, update details, find nearest vaccination location, remind status, and lastly rate and comment about the system. For secondary actor, which is admin, will also have a relationship When a customer wants to get an appointment for vaccination, admin is going to manage the account, manage a user account, remind status and review the system. When a user successfully sign up the account, our Jom Vaccine system is going to send a verified code. This sign up use case won't be complete unless a verified code is successfully. Next, login to the account is a base use case, and forgot password is an extended use case. Forgot password will only happen once in a while when a user accidentally enters an incorrect password. Update details is initiated by the user, while manage account use case is initiated by the admin. Find nearest location is going to use when a user search for nearest vaccination location. For remind status, they have two relationships between both actors. And for rate and comment about the system is initiated by the user. User can edit and delete the rate and comment that has been given. And last, review system. This use case is initiated by the admin. Admin can view and reply to the comment given by the user.
Hi everyone, my name is Bharati K. Raghupati and my metric number is 275540. Okay, now I want to present about activity diagram for JBS 05. Find nearest vaccination place. Okay, now let's see the flow of find nearest vaccination location. First, user need to turn on internet connection and GPS. After turn on, click nearest vaccination location. After that, the system will display various vaccination locations. If the statement is true, user can point an address. After point an address, the system will display nearest vaccination location. After that, user choose nearest vaccination location and view the details of the location. After view the details of the location, user choose Waze or Google Maps to direct to the location, and the system navigate to Waze or Google Maps platform. If the statement is false, the system prompt an alert message if there is no internet connection and GPS detected. So, user need to turn on internet connection and GPS, and then user point an address and the system will display nearest vaccination location. User choose nearest vaccination location and view the details of the location. After view the details of the location, user choose Waze or Google Maps to direct to the location, and finally a system navigate to Waze or Google Maps platform. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ginita, metric number 275649. Now I will present about use case specification for JBS05, find the nearest location. Brief description. Overall about this use case will be initiated by the user and it will enable the user to choose the nearest vaccination location and view the details of the location. And user also can choose either Google Maps or Waze to navigate to the vaccination place. How it actually works is, for example, the system will display all the vaccination places at the Kuala Lumpur, and user put an address, a specific address, and it will show the nearest vaccination location from the address that the user put. So from there, user can choose either Google Maps or Waze to navigate to the vaccination place. Precondition. There are no any specific precondition to execute this use case. Characteristic of activation. When users search for nearest vaccination location, this is where this use case will be activated. Flow of events. Basic flow of this use case is system should display various vaccination location. Second, the system should prompt an alert message if there is no internet connection or if no GPS is detected, which is why if the user wants to use the Google Maps or Waze, they need their GPS to be turned on. And system should display map to user when the user point an address. As I said before, for example, firstly the system display all the vaccination place at the Kuala Lumpur, and user need to point a specific address in Kuala Lumpur so that they can access to the nearest vaccination location. After the system display the nearest vaccination location, user can choose the nearest location. User can view the details of the location, and user can choose either Waze or Google Maps to navigate to their nearest vaccination location. Once they proceed with the navigation, this use case will end. Alternative flow. Firstly, user can choose a location which is the nearest vaccination location based on their address that they put, and user can choose either Waze or Google Maps. Exceptional flow. Prompt an alert message. The system should prompt an alert message if there is no internet connection and if no GPS is detected. The system waits until the user connects to the internet and GPS, which is why if there is no internet connection and GPS, the user might can't use access to the function of this system. Post conditions. User will able to view the nearest vaccination location, and the rules. The system must be connected to the internet connection and GPS must be turned on. Constraint. The constraint is not applicable for this use case. That's all from me. Thank you.